I will tell you how to save this. Save, download, sorry, we need png. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I will show you how to make a premium logo with your mobile devices, and I will also provide the paid application link in the descriptions by which you can download that application for free. And that application is paid, and I provide you the paid application link, but you don't need to pay for it. This is direct link from my Google Drive. So before starting this video, I request my friend, if you're new to my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Thank you. So let's start the video. The application name is Logopit Plus. Okay, so we will go with create new. Here you get many options, many options for you. So if you want to make desktop, device wallpaper, anything, so we need logo, so we just go for logo. Here is you can get the add new icon. Here you get so much logos, you can see. This is free one, this is exclusive, and this is premium. You see, everything is available. Exclusive is also available, but they are saying they're unable to fetch data from server. Maybe there is some kind of problem with server, I don't know. But here we have premium, free, and you can surely get a good option. Okay, let's say we need any logo related to technology. So friends, we need something related to technology, so we need to click on technology, and here you can see you have many options. Let's choose. Okay, this is, so now we need to add text. Something like this. Okay, we can choose. This is okay, I like this color. We don't need to change. We want to make it 3D. Size is okay. Okay, no need to stretch. This is okay, little bit. Yeah, this suits with the color. Okay, that's it. So if you want to make 3D this, sorry, we will need to do again, yeah, the 3D, this one you can make it more 3D. Okay, so we need to, I want this to be, sorry, why is not selecting, sorry, this one. This is getting 3D like this. This look good. See, this look awesome. So like this, our logo is ready. Okay, so I will tell you how to save this. Save, download, sorry, we need png file. Okay, so I will write here my test logo, sorry, test logo. Done. Okay, it's saved. If I want this file to open, here you can see, my friends, I have my official logo in my mobile, which I made by myself. I don't know you people like this or not, but it's okay. It's like, I'm not pro in this making logos, so this is okay for me. So I think it's enough for you to understand. So if you have any kind of problem, I will surely help you. So don't forget to comment below if you have any kind of problem, and I will give this application link in the description. So I hope that you enjoy this video. So please don't forget to like, share with your friends. Thanks for friends watching this video. Bye bye, have a nice day.